Hello, welcome to Vocal Explorations and Keeping the Beat number 2 video. Let's start by warming up our voices with our cards. Here we have our thinking owl. Make sure your teeth are not touching in the back, but they're open, but your lips are closed. It tickles my nose when I do it. The wind in the trees. Raise your arms up high. It's very windy at my house. And we have so many birds. Are there a lot of birds at your house too? Here is our caw bird. Flap your wings. Caw! Caw! Let's do them all again. Caw! 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 And I have a toy, and when I press it, the ball comes out and it spins around. I'll show you again. Did you see that? And then it goes in that little hole. One more time, and then we will follow it with our voices. It spins down. So will you take your finger and follow the ball and follow it with your voice all the way down? Ooh. 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 Do you have a toy in your house that you can follow with your voice? Go find one and try it out. For our Keep the Beat exercise, we're going to start with our hands, but then we're going to transfer to a prop. I don't know if you have one of these nice scarves at home like we use in class, but you might have a scarf like this that you wear around your neck. That can work. You can dance like this. Or you might have a washcloth. Up and down with that. You might have a kitchen towel. Up and down with that. Choose one of those things. Pause and come back if you need to grab it. Okay, let's get started. Hands first. Did you feel the steady beat slow down at the end? That's called ritardando. And that is when the music gradually gets slower. Next, I'm going to tell you a story called The Airplane Ride. Your job is to say all right with me, and oh no with me. So let's practice. All right. Oh no. Okay, here's the story. A man went up in an airplane. All right. But the airplane didn't have an engine. Oh no. But the man had a parachute. All right. But the parachute didn't open. Oh no. But there was a haystack under him. All right. But there was a pitchfork in the haystack. Oh no. But he missed the pitchfork. All right. But he missed the haystack too. Oh no. Did you enjoy the story? Our final activity for this video is the cross dance. And you need your scarf or your cloth or a pillowcase or a t-shirt or even a tablecloth. If you've got a lot of people in your family and you want to spread out and pretend it's a parachute and do it really big. All right, here we go. Here's our getting ready music. Get ready to reach up high. Stretch.